So guys, I woke up 7 a.m. craving pineapple fried rice. I don't know if it's because it's viral and I've been seeing everybody make it. Well, your girl is up for the challenge. Anyway, this pineapple rice is so healthy, y'all. I've always wanted to taste it because anytime I go to a fancy restaurant, they always have this rice on their menu. Anyway, incorporating pineapple in your meal gives you free access to mad vitamin C, which actually stimulates the activity of white blood cells to boost the immune system of your body and reduces your risk of getting sick. It also heals those wounds that did not, those wounds that don't want to be healed, and basically makes your body system stronger. With all this, I'm getting more excited to actually start this meal. So as you can see, I cut my pineapple into 2 parts, and right now I'm cutting the pineapple insides, round, to actually remove the inside, because that is what we'll be using for our rice today. Now I'm cutting mini squares in the pineapple to make it easy to scoop the pineapple out. The spoon I was using at first wasn't strong enough to scoop it, so I had to go get another one, and then it actually became very, very easy. So when you're doing yours, please get a strong spoon that will not bend easily. Okay, so this is the spoon I later got, and when you're removing the insides of your pineapple, please be careful to make sure you are not destroying or boring holes in the pineapple. That's the outside of the pineapple, because we are going to use it later in this video. All done, and this is what our pineapple is looking like without the inside. So now some people actually cut their pineapples into smaller bits and then fry it with their rice, but the Nigerian in me will not be able to eat it like that. So I'm going to be blending my pineapple till it turns very, very smooth, and after that we're going to extract the juice from it and use it for our rice. So guys, this is what it is looking like. As you can see, I blended it really, really smooth, because this will just make it very, very easy for when we want to get our juice. So if you have a juicer, you can actually do this. It will be way, way easy, but I've decided to just go like the local route. So right now I have my pap cloth, or what we call sieve cloth, and I put our blended pineapple into my cloth, and I'm pressing it gently to just basically remove the juice out of it, because as I said, that is exactly what we're going to use for this dish. It's pretty much very, very easy to do. Like, all you just have to do is just press that shaft till all the juice extracts, all the juice comes out, and that's it. You have your fresh juice, but you want to make sure you are doing it in a very clean environment and your hands are clean too. So now this is our pineapple juice already, and I'm pouring it into my cute cup and putting it in the fridge to stay fresh and ready for when it is time for us to put it in our rice. So if you have a fridge, you can put it there, it will remain fresh. If you do not, it's also fine, you can just leave it, but you have to use it that day to make your rice. Over here I have my raw rice, 2 cups of raw rice, and I'm adding boiled water into my rice to just get a fair amount of starch for my rice, so that the fried rice won't be spoiled on time and it will just come out nice. So I'll be leaving it to sit with the hot water for 10 minutes before rinsing it out. So I'm stirring to just get that extra starch out, and I'm going to leave it to sit for 10 minutes. Now I am pulling in with my 6 musketeers. Here I have Here I have my yellow bell pepper, my carrots, my onions, my green bell pepper, my green beans, my red bell pepper, and I actually cut this overnight to just make it very, very easy. So now my rice is all washed and ready for the next step. So now I'm measuring 1.5 cup of meat broth, meat stock, meat water, anything you want to call it. You can actually get this from boiling your meat, and now I've brought out my fresh pineapple juice, and I'm measuring 1 cup of this pineapple juice into my rice. Now for my secret ingredients, my Vovam fried rice spice. Guys, this spice is so good. It's actually available. You guys can hit the number on the screen to get yours, or check the comments or description for yours. But guys, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of this and 1 teaspoon of salt and stirring it. Guys, you will later see how good my rice will look at the end of the day. There's no added preservative, 100% herbal, no artificial color, and yet it has been my go-to when it comes to making fried rice. So now I'm adding 3 cups of water into my rice, and just so it can cover my rice, and I'm gonna leave it on the fire to boil until the water drains from my rice. Now it's time for us to do our fried fry. I'm adding 4 spoons of groundnut oil into my pan, and I'm pulling out my already marinated chicken. I did this overnight with my soy sauce and Vova mixed spices, which is also available. And now I'm using my non-stick frying pan to actually achieve a fried/grilled effect on my chicken. My rice is boiling at one side, as you can see, and I'm frying on the other side. So a lot is happening at the same time. As I promised you guys that the color of my rice is going to change, so you people should just be waiting for it and be anticipating. I covered my chicken a little so that it can cook a little bit. And now, please do not forget to actually turn your chicken, so that it can get done at all the ends, everything like that. As I said, I'm going for a grilled and a fried look. So please do not forget to turn your chicken so that it can properly cook. So guys, you guys should say in comment section if you need like a separate tutorial for the chicken. This is my soy sauce that I used to marinate it, and my Vovam mixed spices I also used to marinate it. And guys, my chicken was scenting like suya, like it was just scenting so nice. I told you my rice is still coming up. As I said, you're leaving it on the fire till the water drains out from it, and yes, after that you will remove it, and you guys will see as we proceed. So now, ladies and gentlemen, our chicken is all done. It was scenting, it was glowing, it was entering my eyes, and it was giving everything that it was supposed to give. Like this chicken was in fact, I had to shred my chicken, diced it into smaller bits because I'll be adding it into my fried rice later on. My rice is all done, and look at that color, guys. Only one spoon of my Vovam fried rice, no added color, 100% organic, 100% herbal, no added preservatives. And guys, I actually recommend this for your fried rice spices. It has been tasted and trusted by Phayte. So now it is time for us to go in with our onions. I'm using the same fry pan I used to fry my chicken because it still has some sauce in it, and I wanted it all. I wanted all of it. So I'm frying till it gets translucent. And yes, now I'm going in with my green bell pepper, and I'm stirring it a little bit till I'm satisfied, like till it mixes with the sauce in the fry pan and with my onions. And yes, and then we'll be adding other stuffs to it. Now I'm going in with my yellow bell pepper. I love this yellow bell pepper so much because my pan was already looking colorful, so I was mixing it all up together. And after that, I went in with my red bell pepper, popularly known as tatashe in Nigeria, and I mixed it all up together. And after that, in fact, a lot is literally happening. But after that, I went in with my chopped green beans into my frying pan, and I'm stirring and mixing it all up together. And I actually recommend you cut this overnight. It just makes it so easy at the end of the day. So you just have to just pour everything. Now I'm going in with my favorites, my chopped carrots. In fact, my pan was looking so colorful. I had yellow, I had green, I had orange, I had red. In fact, I already knew that this fried rice was going to come out well. Now I'm making a hole in the middle of my frying pan, and I'm adding 4 whisked eggs into my pan, and I'm stirring it, like I'm adding it slowly. And after that, I'm stirring it till it turns solid before mixing it with the rest of my veggies. So after mixing it with my veggies, I'm going in with my soy sauce. This soy sauce is so cheap, yo. I got it for 950 naira at my supermarket, and it's literally seasoning on its own, so no need to add Maggi. I added my soy sauce to it to just give it that taste that it needed, and it really did not even need Maggi or salt or whatnot because it's literally seasoned on its own. Okay, so now I'm going in with my diced chicken, and I'm adding soy sauce to it. As I said, I'm going to be adding more soy sauce, but I didn't really want it to just add it all at once. So from time to time, you guys will see I'll just be adding it as we go, so that it can get into it. Now that we're all done with frying, I'm adding my tantalizing, my gorgeous, my lovely looking fried rice already. I'm adding my rice into my veggies. You want to make sure that the pan you're adding it into can carry all the rice, and if it cannot, that's fine. You can divide your rice into 2, pour the first one, mix it before you pour the second one. So anyway, I'm using my wooden spoon, my wooden spatula to just stir my rice, and I'm using the spatula to bring out all the veggies to the top so that I can properly mix. I'm adding my soy sauce to it again because I really wanted it to get into my rice, and now I'm mixing it all up together. If you do not mix your fried rice very well, you just end up seeing that some parts will have veggies and some parts will not have veggies. Like all the veggies and chicken and everything will go and stay at the bottom, and that is what we cannot have. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Phayte effects, extinguished guests and family, our international pineapple rice is served. Y'all see what I did with the pineapple back we kept? This literally how it is served. This is literally how it is served in a pineapple, and oh my, does it look like something out of a food magazine. God. And the fact that it is so healthy and nourishing, in fact, I was so eager to taste it, guys. As you can see me in my pajamas, the flavor was literally everything. Guys, the taste was different from our regular fried rice because the soy sauce, the pineapple flavor, the chicken, everything was just good. It was just the right amount, and it was lovely. The color, the presentation, everything was it. Guys, I had to go in to taste the chicken. The chicken was so tender. It tasted like suya. Guys, this meal, like having this kind of meal in the morning was so good. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, do not forget to share to your friends and your family. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, for more exciting recipes. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next YouTube video. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Turn on your post notification for more videos, and see you next time. Mwah.